Here are 4 healthy lunch recipes to lose weight. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to your pan, 1 garlic clove, and 2 cups of spinach. Add 3 tablespoons of canned chickpeas. Add half cup of boiled shredded chicken. Add your salt and pepper, then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Be sure to mix and cook well. Now you have your chickpeas with spinach. Enjoy! Add 1 cup lettuce, half cup cucumber, 1/3 cup spring onion, 5 cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup red beans. Then add half can of tuna. Now make your dressing by adding 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix well. Then pour the dressing to your salad. Top it off with 1 sliced boiled egg. You now have your Nicoise salad. Enjoy! Put 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 garlic, 1 cup spinach. Stir and cook. Add 4 cherry tomatoes. Add half cup broad beans, 2 anchovy fillets, chopped, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You've got your broad beans with anchovies. Yummy! Boil 1 cup water. Add 1/4 cup lentils. Add 1/4 teaspoon olive oil to your pan. Add 1/4 cup red onion, 1/4 cup carrots, 1/4 cup zucchini, 1 tablespoon of water. Add your salt and pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin. Add your 3 ounces of tuna steak. Be sure it is properly cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Garnish with some fresh parsley. You've got your lentils and vegetables recipe. Enjoy!